Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. All right, so now let us just get into this review. In this video, I am looking at XenSmart. It's an MT5 EA built by developer XAUUSD Sitco, priced at $189 to buy. It's on version 1.2, last updated in early June 2026. Now, scrolling into the description, this is built around smart money concept and breakout strategies. It's positioned as adaptable enough to handle both day trading and swing trading setups depending on current market structure. All right. So right below that, there is a dynamic pricing note. We can see that here. The price starts at $189 and increases by $50 each day until it reaches a final fixed price of $999 with a recommendation to secure a license early. There is also direct contact info for licensing questions. Well, if I'm going to be honest with you, this seems like a marketing strategy, but well, I guess I just have to analyze what I see, right? So it's probably just an attempt to encourage interested parties to buy the expert advisor as soon as possible, because if it was really increasing by $50 every single day, then I don't think it's going to be at $189 as at the time of recording, because if the initial price is $189 and the last update was 6th June, well, I doubt if it's still going to be at this price, because as at the time of recording, this is 19th July. But that's by the way. Moving into the disciplined market engagement section, the developer states this eliminates martingale, greed trading, and averaging down without defined risk controls, and that systems without predefined stop losses are excluded from the design entirely. So every position is governed by a calculated hard stop loss based on real-time volatility and structural analysis, with the stated priority being account safety and long-term consistency. All right, so down at setup instructions, the recommended asset is XAUUSD, and the system is described as adaptable to any time frame. Okay, a raw ECN broker is recommended for tight spreads and execution speed, along with a dedicated VPS for continuous operation. The listing closes with a standard risk warning about leverage and the possibility of losing some or all invested capital. Now, let us get into the back test that I ran myself. Okay, heading over to my strategy tester right now. So the test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and by the end of the test period, the account showed a net profit of just under $1,490. But let's just break down how it got there. Okay, this backtest covered XAUUSD on the H1 time frame from the start of January through mid-July 2026, with history quality of 99%. Now, across 198 total trades, the win rate came in almost exactly at 50%. We can see that here. Now, drawdown was very well contained at under 1%, on a balance basis, and just under 1.5% on an equity basis. Okay, then the profit factor came in at a strong 3.00, and the recovery factor was notably high as well, at 9.03, reflecting an efficient result relative to the very small drawdown that was experienced on the account. Okay, so this lines up with the hard stop loss no martingale approach that was described on the MQL5 Marketplace listing. All right, the numbers here look consistent with disciplined, controlled risk exposure. Okay, but I'm still going to recommend running this the back test, running a personal back test over additional periods and brokers yourself. All right, since even a clean result like this benefits from broader validation. And one of the things I can observe from the trade history here is that the EA seems to be targeting short-term price movement, because you can see that majority of the trades were opened and closed just within a few candles from the entry price, or even within the same candle. You can see here, this was open, this was closed. Here you can see open. I think this should be the close for this, or this one of them, open, close. So basically short-term price movement, but there are some cases where trades were held for hours. You can see this one, this should be the trade, right? It was held for roughly a day. You can see several hours, because each candle here represents 1 hour, right? But then let's also look at the graph. We can see the equity and balance curve looks pretty interesting. Well, generally, it had been a steady growth over time. Yeah, there were times of stagnation, because I can see that basically around this period, it was just mostly stagnation. You can see that the curve was going sideways most of the time during this period. But then here, from the start of the back test to around the beginning of February, throughout January seemed to be a pretty good month for the back test. And then you can see that there was a period of stagnation, and then the growth was kind of slow, right? It was actually a slow growth, but one of the important points is that the balance and equity are very close to each other. So there were no big drawdowns. Okay, and we can actually confirm that in what we saw here. The balance drawdown was less than 1%, and the equity drawdown less than 1.5%. We already talked about that. So who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based on what we have seen so far, this looks like a well controlled result with a genuinely low drawdown profile, consistent with what the MQL5 Marketplace listing describes. But as always, no expert advisor is universally suitable. All right, so I will recommend that you test the EA further by yourself before considering any live usage. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.